Collins Kitchen. Hey kids, have you ever wondered why protein is so important for our bodies? Well, let me tell you about whey protein powder. It's like a superhero for our muscles. Whey protein powder is packed with protein and contains all the essential amino acids for our bodies that we need to grow big and strong. Amino acids are like the building blocks of our muscles, and whey protein powder has many of them, including branched chain amino acids. These amino acids help our muscles grow and repair themselves after we've been playing and having fun. So whether running around on the playground or playing your favorite sports, having some whey protein powder in your diet can help you and your muscles be happy and healthy. Do you know that almonds are delicious and super healthy for us? That's right. Almond flour made from finely ground almonds is a yummy and nutritious ingredient that can help us grow strong and stay healthy. Almond flour is full of protein, like food for our muscles. It also has lots of fiber, which helps our tummies feel full and keeps our digestive system happy. Plus, almond flour has many vitamins and minerals that help our bodies work properly, like giving us energy to play and keep our bones strong. So the next time you're baking yummy treats with almond flour, remember that you're not just making something tasty, you're also giving your body lots of good stuff. So today we're going to be making peanut butter protein cookies. These cookies contain that whey protein powder and the almond flour, and of course peanut butter. Can't go wrong with that, right? For this particular recipe, we are going to need 3/4 of a cup of almond flour, 1 cup of whey protein powder, 1/2 cup of peanut butter, and 2 large eggs. So before you begin making this wonderful snack, please make sure you have your parents' help to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. You will also need to line your baking pan with parchment paper, which we have pre-done here. You're going to begin your recipe by adding your wet ingredients, 2 large eggs, and I have Connor here who's going to put the eggs in for me. Connor, and if you'll go wash your hands, please. Thank you. All right, Evan, if you can add in the peanut butter, scrape that into the bowl, please. So eggs and peanut butter are a great source of protein, and it's something that people normally have readily available in their homes. Scrape it off. Give you a little help, Evan. Peanut butter can sometimes be a little messy. And now we need that whey protein powder. Thank you, Connor. We're going to add that in. And Evan, you want to add that almond flour in. Thank you. Wonderful. Great job, guys. Now we're just going to take a regular spoon and start to mix that. So you're going to mix these ingredients thoroughly until it forms a great big peanut butter ball. All right, Connor, you want to keep stirring that for me until all of that is mixed really well. Good job. This should be a thick paste type of consistency, and you'll be able to tell when you have all of that egg mixed in there and the flour, the almond flour and the whey protein. You should not see any white specks within your mixture. There you go, keep mixing it around. All right, Evan, Connor, you're gonna take a scoop out and you're gonna put it into your hand. It's gonna go rolled into a ball. So go ahead, boys. Each of you get a scoop out. Yep, just like that. Perfect. Now put that into your hand. Let's put your spoon back in there. Awesome. Now roll it until you get it into a nice ball. And then you're going to continue to do that and place them on the baking sheet. All right, that should be good. Very good. All right, keep going. Just like that. So you're going to continue to repeat this process until you have between 8 and 10 cookies. Yep. Just a couple good rolls will do it, and just until they're formed into that nice tight ball. Yep, very good. Keep going. So once you have all of these on the baking sheet, your oven has been preheated. You are going to put them in the oven and set a timer for about 13 minutes. This is a super simple recipe that pretty much anybody can do. This is something that you can definitely do as a young adult, and these boys are 11, so it's simple enough for them to be able to do, as well as any student or child who may have a disability. This recipe is easily adapted. You could even use a task analysis, which would make this very easy for somebody with a cognitive disability to be able to participate in making. Put it up there. Yep, there you go. That's good. You can put yours up there. And that should be it. Last one. Awesome. You just leave that in there. Good job, boys. All right. In the oven they go, and a timer set for 12 minutes. Make sure when you pull these out of the oven that you have some supervision or help with that so you do not get. So now the next step is to put these on a cooling rack, and I have a set of cooling racks here. So we're just going to transfer these over so that they'll cool. Those are going to need to cool for at least 20 minutes. All right, so now they have cooled for about 15 to 20 minutes. Boys, you ready to try one?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead. What you think? Awesome. Awesome. All right, so if you like this recipe, hit that subscribe button. We'll be back with more.